Welcome to the world of passive income, where your money works for you. Let's explore how you can start with just $100 or less. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. Imagine waking up every morning with money already in your account from work you did once. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 incredible passive income opportunities that won't break the bank. We're talking about strategies you can implement today to start generating extra cash flow. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get this passive income party started. Let's kick things off with small investments. I know, investing can sound intimidating and expensive, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. With platforms like Robinhood and Acorns, you can start investing with just a few bucks. Think of it like this: instead of buying that daily latte, you're putting that money to work for you in the stock market. Over time, those small investments can compound and grow exponentially. Even small amounts, invested regularly, can make a huge difference in the long run. So, ditch the get-rich-quick schemes and embrace the power of slow and steady growth with small investments. Now let's talk side hustles, the bread and butter of passive income. Look, we all have skills and talents that we can monetize. Whether you're a wordsmith, a tech whiz, or a creative genius, there's a side hustle out there for you. Think about it. Can you write captivating blog posts? Offer your services as a freelance writer? Are you a coding ninja? Build websites for local businesses. Do you have an eye for design? Create and sell merchandise online? The possibilities are endless. The beauty of side hustles is that you're in the driver's seat. Next up, let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of my favorite passive income streams because it's like getting paid to talk about things you already love. Here's the deal. You partner with a brand you believe in, promote their products or services to your audience, and earn a commission for every sale you make. Start by promoting products on your social media channels, your blog, or even through email marketing. Choose products you genuinely love and believe in, and your passion will shine through, converting followers into loyal customers. Investing in stocks. Dive into the market with confidence. Now let's talk stocks, baby. I know, the stock market can seem like a scary, unpredictable beast. But fear not, my friends, because investing in stocks doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With fractional shares, you can buy a piece of your favorite companies, even if you don't have thousands of dollars lying around. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of solid companies you believe in for the long haul. Remember to do your research, invest in what you understand, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Dropshipping, sell without the inventory headache. Next up, let's unravel the mystery of dropshipping. Now, this passive income stream is all about selling products online without ever having to touch any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles everything from packaging to shipping, while you sit back, relax, and count your profits. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its low overhead costs. Unleash your inner creator. Let's unleash those creative juices and talk about creating and selling digital products. Think about it. You create a product once and it can generate income for years to come. Write and sell ebooks, design and sell online courses, craft stunning printables, or create captivating templates. The key is to identify your skills and passions and package them into valuable digital assets that people are willing to pay for. Let's move on to a slightly more unconventional passive income stream: peer-to-peer lending. With platforms like Lending Club and Prosper, you can become a lender and connect with borrowers looking for personal or business loans. You get to choose which loans to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness and the interest rate offered. It's like playing banker, but without all the hassle of traditional banking regulations. Of course, like any investment, peer-to-peer lending carries some risks, but it can be a rewarding way to diversify your portfolio and earn passive income. Renting out assets. Turn your clutter into cash flow. Okay, time to declutter and turn those unused belongings into cold, hard cash with the power of renting out assets. Do you have a spare bedroom? List it on Airbnb and become a host with the most. Got a camera gathering dust on the shelf? Rent it out to aspiring photographers. The sharing economy is booming, my friends, and there's never been a better time to cash in on your unused assets. Dividend stocks. Get paid to own a piece of a company. Let's talk dividend stocks. the passive income superheroes of the stock market. When you invest in dividend-paying companies, you're essentially buying a share of their profits. These companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly. The beauty of dividend stocks lies in their ability to generate passive income, while also offering the potential for capital appreciation. Bonus: high-interest savings accounts. Watch your savings grow on autopilot. Last, but not least, let's not forget about the power of high-interest savings accounts. With online banks and credit unions, you can find high-yield savings accounts that offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. While the interest rates might not make you rich overnight, they can still provide a steady stream of passive income on your savings. Plus, it's always a good idea to have a healthy emergency fund readily available, and a high-interest savings account is the perfect place to park your cash while it earns a little something extra on the side. Subscribe for more financial freedom tips. And there you have it, folks. 10 passive income opportunities you can start with $100 or less. Remember, building wealth and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a race. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards your goals and finding what works best for you. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep hustling, keep grinding, and keep reaching for the stars.